How to add velocity effect to CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can add velocity effect to your video on CapCut. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to simply open up your CapCut application. Once you open up, you shall get an interface like this. Now here you can add a new project by tapping on new project and then selecting the video that you wish to add the velocity effect to. In my case, I'll just select this particular video here of 1 second. Now here you can see what you want to do is at the bottom of your screen you'll get various different options, right? You want to swipe and you want to head into this option that you can see there down below that says style. Once you select the style, you can see trending option there, and beside trending you can see velocity. Simply tap on velocity option and you'll get various different velocity options effects that you can see here. You can simply tap on one that you wish to add and it will detect some music, and once you do so, once you choose the music, you'll be able to generate the velocity effect right here now. And you can see it says add music to the project to use velocity. You want to simply tap on add option, and here you can select any of the music once it loads up. Here you can see it's loading up. Now I'll just select this particular beats here and I'll just add this one, and it should generate it for you right here. Now you can select the music and you can see it's generating the video, and once you generate the video, if you play it, your velocity effect should be added right here. So this way you can add velocity to your video on CapCut. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.